Welcome back, everybody. I am Dave, and this is the Pedaling Dave channel. I want to thank you for watching and checking out this video. This is Highlander Trail in Barren County, Kentucky. It is still under construction, just really getting started. It is being done by Parson Construction Services Inc, of whom I work for. Really enjoying this job and getting to cut trail here in my backyard. It is going to be a really cool place, really nice thing to have in the backyard. I wanted to document the trail, give a little history on the place maybe, and share all that with you and tell you how this build is going to go. Andrew Parson and his crew will be cutting in the first phase of the Highlander Trail system. Once completed, there will be about 4 miles total. All of the finishing work will be completed by volunteers. I've put a link to the Southwest Kimba Facebook page in the video description. If you're interested in helping out, go and follow that page for updates on all the upcoming volunteer work days, and all help is greatly appreciated.